Hi there, I'm Heather with WTI. Savvy and Sorted gave me a wonderful way to spend my snowy holiday. I was organizing. Yeah, it's a little crazy, but it also makes you feel really, really good inside. As you can see, you can place these beautiful labels wherever you want. Maybe don't even worry that they're not all lined up perfectly because you have a whole different set, another color if you choose to use that. I chose to use the second color of labels to mark the lids because the way we have them displayed, that was the first thing that we would see. They literally had all the spices. I had no need for the blank label that they provided. So thoughtful for Savvy and Sorted to throw that in as well, in case you have a spice that they didn't think of. They also thoughtfully included a pepper grinder and a funnel. The sift lids are fantastic. They stay on really well and they allow both powdered spices and the larger spices like my bay leaves. I'm able to use these gorgeous jars and lids to beautify any area that can get very disorganized while cooking, as you know, if you cook. If you have kids interested in helping, maybe just don't. Tell them that this is a mommy job and I'm not kidding, just do it yourself. Yeah, maybe I'm crazy. I like to organize. And what's better than one entire beautiful setup? Ooh, absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you're as obsessed as I am with organization, but you have to check these out. With literally everything you need to get and stay organized with a splash of style too, Savvy and Sorted spice jars are the way to go. And that's my point of view.